In this demo, we will learn how to create, configure, and execute picking waves in Hellobooks. Start by opening the app launcher. Now, select Warehouse to enter the inventory module. Open Wave Batch Picking to manage and track pick waves. Hit Create Wave to build a new batch picking job. Enter the wave name, priority, warehouse, pick strategy, and expected orders, items, and lines. Click Create Wave to save. The new wave appears with pending status. Click the play icon to start the wave. Status changes to in progress. Click the eye icon to open the pick list for this wave. Click Add Pick Lines to define what needs to be picked. Select the product, enter the quantity, and optionally set the zone and bin. Hit Submit Lines to add them to the wave. Afterwards, enter the picked quantity in the input field. Click Save to record the picked amount. Click Complete Wave to finalize the picking job. The wave now shows completed status with all items picked and the progress at 100%.